Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and my brother-in-law just got a new camera system for the house. This is the one that he got, the brand ANNKE. ANNKE? Is that what it's called? ANNKE? ANNKE. Here's the information on it right there. There's the power, DC 12 volt, okay, all that stuff. I'm going to do a review on both, the unboxing review on both of these products because they're going to work hand in hand. This is what? The power over the internet?
Power over Ethernet.
Power over Ethernet or internet?
Yep.
Ethernet. PoE.
PoE.
Okay, PoE. So this is PoE. We're going to use this to power the camera. This is the box for it. What's included in there. This is what the back looks like. If you want to see the back, has a TP link. PoE. All right. So let's. We'll open up this first, and then we'll open up the camera. Go over here so we can see it. Let's open up this first. We'll just do the unboxing of this. So, an installation guide right here. All your mumbo jumbo. It folds out like so. Goes out like that. Here is the device itself right here. That's where you plug it in right there. It says the power data out. And she went upstairs to Aunt Amanda. And this is the line in. Power, once you hook this up, it'll tell you if it has power at 12 volt. They give you this. We're not going to use it because it's too small for us. Here's the power transformer right here. So this is your power supply. You already know how many volts it is, so it plugs in easily, and that's it. So, all right, so that's about it for the unboxing on that. That was really quick. That's pretty much what you can expect to get in there. All right, so we're going to go to the next unboxing of the camera itself. All right, here's the user manual for it. You know, a whole bunch of shit in here, obviously. A whole bunch in there. Here, you can put this on the window to make yourself feel good, I guess, or whatever. Here's the drill template to put the camera on the wall, I guess. Then we got the camera itself with this big wire coming out, okay? Hopefully that fits through the hole that I made. If not, then we're gonna have fun. Here's the camera. Does it move by itself or you gotta move it?
I am not sure actually.
It feels like you have to move it.
And we probably have to set it and tighten it.
You set it and then you tighten it, yep, exactly. So you probably, you set it and then you just tighten it. So, we're probably going to have it on the wall, what, like this, right?
Go lower.
Oh, sorry. We're going to have it on the wall like this and then go down? Or, I guess we got to read a little bit and see how to, because...
We'll plug it in and see which way. I think it goes that way.
I think it goes this way.
And then you decide if you want to make it higher.
Got it, okay.
If you mount it a different way.
Okay. So, yeah, and then there's the cable that comes out. There's where you plug in the Ethernet cord. Here you can, I guess, do a separate power supply if you want. Right? Is that what that's for?
Is it a button or a plug?
A plug, it looks like?
Yeah, if you want to do power over cable.
Oh, okay.
But we're doing power over the Ethernet, so we only need one.
So we don't, well, that's going to be hard to stick back in there anyway. And this is going to be inside the house, so it doesn't really matter. Here's the tool that they give you. They give you a security tool right here. It has the hole in the middle, so tamper-proof it's supposed to be, or whatever they call it. Here's, I guess, some grommets or brackets or something, I don't even know, something to tighten something on. And then they give you anchors and screws and stuff like that right here. I don't know if we're going to use those exact ones, we'll see. And that's all that's in the box, it's completely empty. So, alright, that's about it for the unboxing review of the two of these that we're going to use together. This is what you can expect to get. I'm going to do another review in a couple of minutes of us actually installing it and what you can expect and how hard it is. So I'm going to do that too, but I'm going to end this video for now with just an unboxing review. Alright? So thank you everybody for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I put on reviews of products and stuff like that to help everybody out in the community. And that's about it. So enjoy. Everybody be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.